Okay, good morning. Or rather, good afternoon. The snow not get paid today. The snow is so much. Thank God we having a public holiday today in Italy. We get public holiday today, so just a brief one, nothing much. Your brother, your friend, and Omofuma. I just hope the network will good because the phone be like say cool cash yourself before a break start. You get as a be. You get as a be before the phone heads correct. So you can see some people are here. The essence of this broadcast about white money. A video just came to my notice that I saw white money, the BBM Nigeria winner, getting to Dubai. When they come down from plane, come they kneel down, come they thank God, saying come on for Nigeria. That's a big slap to Nigeria as a nation. It's a very big slap for that matter. After all the incentives, 90 million total package, you got it from Nigeria, 30 million cash, other benefits as well. You went out of the shores of Nigeria to go to Nida for Dubai airport, say you be happy to come out for Nigeria. No, our leaders now put us to all this shit and shenanigans. But then, with that kind of money, where you win, white money, that kind of money is too big for you to come the ridicule the image of Nigeria in Dubai. One of us will come to Europe. You see me for inside snow. Dubai is not as lucrative as Europe. We are inside the snow now. The opportunities we have in Europe is far, far better than Dubai. So, for you with that kind of a big prize amount where you win, I think I'll play that video sometime when I just come back home and look, say, see, this is since because we not work today. Everywhere in the snow. It's so really cold, very, very cold today. I don't know whether the network good. Almost Saro. If you can hear me, maybe if it's not good, make a cut. Is the network good? Okay. So it's good. So now what I say make a talk about white money. You disgrace Nigeria seriously. You shouldn't have done that. What if you can't go America or you can't go Canada? What do you go do? It's a slap to the Nigerian nation. It's a slap to the Nigerian government. It's a slap to all Nigerians in diaspora. The ones who they think well, because that thing when I see I'm not good for eyes. I felt disappointed. I felt really aggrieved. I felt. Can you just come down for airport, go kneel down for Dubai? They kneel down for airport. White money, you fuck up, you fall Nigerians' hands in diaspora, you fall off our hands. I'll be waiting, I tell you. So we'll still do holiday tomorrow, we'll be going to work. But then I think this one should be noted that Andrew Omofuma come on air to say what white money did was outrageously not too good. It wasn't good. If you go to Dubai, be like you've gotten 90 million to take flex. Usually you just see the Davido or the rest, the Tonto Dike, and what do they call her? This girl for Lagos, the man girl. What do they call her? Bobrisky. They've been going to Dubai. They've never disgraced Nigeria in Dubai. Don't go airport, go to Nida. White money, you did something very, 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 very appalling. We Nigerians, you need to apologize to Nigerians. The Nigerian nation needs an unreserved apology from you for disgracing Nigeria after you won a total package of 90 million from Nigeria. You didn't get that money. You didn't get that money out of Nigeria. You got that money in Nigeria. Why must you go to Europe, Dubai, Dubai is not Europe. You go to the da for airport. If you can call Germany, you can call Italy, or you can call France, or you can call Canada, or you can call US. You go just cut your head. It's a slap on your person white money. It's outrageously disgusting. Seriously. I don't believe my eyes. I couldn't believe what I saw. I didn't believe what I said, huh? It is well. My other phone will ring. I'll get back to you now later in the day. Seriously, I don't have time for shenanigans. Whatever, in any way or any area, I might have disappointed some few people or some people. I don't know how to put it. Anybody who I disappoint in my recent activities on the social media, just want you guys to find a place in your heart to forgive and forget. I will not be responding to anybody talking about me. They say to err is human and to forgive is divine. So based on that, I will not be responding to any idiot anymore. Say what you want to say. Henceforth, you get the new rebranded and Omofuma, the new home of truth and equal right. Like what I used to do best is to talk about political issues. No basket for rotting mango anymore. No need to talk to whoever. I know say I don't big pass. They might call themselves different names, but I know I'm not that kind of person. But sometimes in our life we face trials, and how you react to it, it might be good, it might be bad, but it's not enough to condemn. Even Jesus Christ said, he who have not sinned, let him or her throw the first stone. They throw the stone. So we are humans. In my mission on this social media space, I've never committed any blunder. The first and the last I did was just what happened in this previous week, which I'm just human like every other person. So I'm not claiming to be a supernatural being. Sometimes we can be in our difficult moment and just speak certain things out which are not supposed to be done. So that is the more reason why we are human. We are human. So, and I owe responsibility for my actions, which I'm not claiming to be right. I did something not really good. So, in a nutshell, who have ears, let them hear that is not the real Omofuma. It was based on certain emotional stress that I did those nasty things, not the real me. So I think I've been able to clear the air. Those that have ears, they should hear. And those that knows me personally knows that the aspersion cast on my person will never real. I'm not out anymore to even debunk or to say whether it's right or wrong. If it is right, let whatever process, the legal process, put me where I belong to, but heaven and earth knows that it is not right. So based on that, I will not be dragging issues with such a nincompoop anymore. It is well. It's a happy Wednesday afternoon. We have a lot of snow. Cold. So when I take care, I brave the submission I get for white money. White money, you not try. You not try at all. You don't try. So you'll be getting more of Omofuma, much more inciting and educative broadcast. No time for no basket for rotting mango anymore. I'm done for dinner. Have a nice day.